So hello guys, this is Cadet Fan Kawila at your service. So today we're going to tackle about dragging anchor. So what does dragging anchor mean? So dragging anchor defined as the loss of power of anchor system, or hindi mabuti or hindi kumakagat ng maayos yung anchor natin into seabed. So factors of dragging anchors are, of course, first, the nature of our seabed, if it is mud or sand or etc. Second is the weather conditions. Third, water conditions. Fourth, winds. And last is the size of our vessels. Paano natin malaman or madetermine na tayo nagda-drag anchor na? So basically, once lumabas tayo ng swimming circle natin or drag ring, basically we need to react or pay out more chain sa anchorage para kumagat yung anchor natin sa seabed para hindi tayo lumabas dun sa swimming circle natin. So for example guys, here's our ship. So as currently naka-anchorage kami ngayon dito sa Newcastle, Australia. So here's our ship. So naka-anchorahe kami dito ngayon. So ito naman yung position niya every minute or nakadepende sa sinet ng officer on watch para ma-monitor ang position ng vessel. So dito nakikita natin yung parang rosaryo. Ito yung previous position namin simula nung nag-anchorage kami. So as you can see, yung bilog na malaki, ito yung tinatawag na swinging circle or drag ring. So dito naman guys sa ICDIS, dito natin monitor yung position ng vessel natin, distance and bearings of conspicuous point by using ABL and BRM. So dito monitor natin dyan. So dito naman sa radar, dito natin monitor naman yung nearest vessel in the vicinity. So kinukuha din natin yung bearing and distance niya.